This is a quick recording just showing you how to solder in your resistors. A couple of things to make sure. First one is to make sure that you have put some wire wool over the terminals just to make sure they're nice and clean. And the second thing is to make sure your resistors are in the right position. If you just have a look at your PowerPoint, you'll see this slide here. It's got all the resistors in the right position. Also, if you just turn your board over, can you see the legs of the resistors are at a corresponding R number? So this one is at R4, R5, R3, R2 and R1. The values of the resistors are down here. Just to make sure that they're correct, you can correspond them to those values. Okay, let's start soldering. So get yourself a board to put on the table, get yourself a second hand and put your board into position with your soldering iron. Make sure that your soldering iron is nice and clean. Get a chisel tip one if you can. Make sure it's nice and clean. And get yourself some solder. Okay, so what we're going to do is we've got our resistors in position. We are going to apply the iron to the leg of the resistor and also to the track. We're going to just leave it for a few seconds. We're going to bring in solder, melt it, leave it for a few seconds, then pull it off. Okay, so just again, we're going to bring it in. 1, 2, 3. Put a little bit of solder on there. When we bring it off, we should really take it out that leg like that. Create a nice volcano shape. So do that for all of your 5 resistors and they will be in position.